Oh, so I just got a DM from @NikkiRocks48 on Musically for some slime orders. So let's see. She wants a purple foam with no rubber bands, but I love my purple foam. I don't want to give it to her. So I'm just gonna give her this one, the green foam with rubber bands. So let's put it in this bag. Now she asked for a cotton candy bubblegum slime with, okay, so I don't have a cotton candy one, I just have this one. It's a pink one with rainbow foam beads, so she gotta do what she gotta do. Now she wants a junkyard slime where the beads don't fall out. Let's see, but my junkyard slime is really good, and I'm gonna give her the not good one. Like where all the beads fall out. Whatever, she can have this one. Now she wants a butter slime with a peach butter slime with foam beads, but I really like this butter slime. So I'm gonna give her this pink butter slime that's not even that really buttery, that I just made cornstarch to her with like a few foam beads. Now she wants what else does she want? She wants a slime smoothie, but I really like this one, so I'm just gonna give her something instead. I'm just gonna give her a pink slime smoothie that's not even that clicky. I'm just gonna give that to her. Now for the extra, she asked if she can have some, what does she want? She asked if she can have some cool extras. I'm just gonna give her this free thing that I got from the store that I don't even use. Some used lanyard and what else should I give her? Oh, and then she'll just be able to keep this bag. Oh, I'll give her some this. So let's go and deliver this. Oh, hi. Hi, your order has arrived from Slime 201 on Musically.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, hi guys. Hello Slimies. So for my extras, I did not a lanyard that was already used. What is this? Okay, so far it's, and what else do I have in my extra? What is this? A London little pocketbook thing to keep your coins in? That's just called being cheap. So I asked for a slime smoothie. Let's see the slime smoothie. This is not even a slime smoothie. What is this? It's not even, it doesn't even click. And it doesn't even stretch. This is not a slime smoothie. This is just pink. This is just a pink regular slime. Then I asked for a butter peach slime. Yeah, with foam beads, and this is so super sticky. It does not stretch. It's really sticky, and it's not even buttery. It's pink. Okay, this is so far like the worst slime package ever. Now I asked for cotton candy bubble gum. Whoa. This has nothing to do with cotton candy. This is literally just bubble gum. What is this? And it just rips. That is just, no, that's just horrible. Horrible. Then I asked for a purple slime with some foam beads in it and no rubber bands. Wait, actually, yeah, with foam beads and no rubber bands. So let's see what you gave me for that. Okay, I just want you guys to all take a minute to just look at that. This is not the one I asked for, and it's not even good. That's just no, that's disgusting. That's gross. Then let's see what else I asked for. I also asked for a junk ground slime. Sorry, I accidentally said playground. A junkyard slime. Let's see what she gave me for that. With no foam beads. With no fallout beads. Oh my god. It's all fallout beads. And it's just hard. And it's sticky at the same time. It's like weird. That's disgusting. You know what? I'm sending all my slimes back. And I'm getting back my money. And they're gonna send me the right slimes. Wait. Ugh, this thing is sticky. Sending it back.
Guys, so we just filmed a skit. You guys just saw it's about day in the life of a slime scammer. So I was playing the slime scammer.
And I was playing the person who bought the slime. Look, I have chocolate.
We made cupcakes.
We made cupcakes, yeah.
You'll see that in the next video. And then we put all the slimes in this bag and stuff like that. And we used this as a phone. It's a picture of me as a baby. But yeah. Peace out, guys. Follow her musically. Nikki Rocks 48.
Peace out.